Engrafted to the vine, a classical hymn for the assembly of the way, of the joy of the Lord. From ancient paths of covenant flame, through faithful ones who bore thy name, the Essene watchmen pure in prayer, the Nazarene with hearts laid bare, Ebionite souls who walked the way, awaiting light of endless day. Through roots concealed in sacred sod, we rise engrafted unto God. Enthroned above, we dwell beneath thy wings of love. Thy Ruach sent through holy name, descending as eternal flame. By YaHuSHa HaMaSHiYach, His grace, the branch of life, the truth, the way, we drink the vine's unfading wine, and bear the fruit of the divine. Shine through us, oh permeated light, gift of heaven burning bright, through sacred toil and works ordained, by covenant forever changed. Children of promise called to stand, a royal priesthood in the land, till every nation comes to see the joy of holy liberty. We honor those who walked before, the fathers of the faith once more. Abraham's trust, Moshe's hand, David who sang through desert sand, the prophets clothed in holy fire, who called the remnant ever higher. Their witness lives, their voices cry, prepare the way, the King is nigh. For we have heard the ancient call, as once proclaimed through prophets saw. Whom shall I send? Who now will go? And hearts awakened answered so. The Ruach clothed our mortal frame, equipping us in sacred name, to walk the works prepared of old, a living light for young and old. Bright morning star, O Sun divine, thy radiance through our souls now shines, and as thou gavest light to men, we bear remembrance once again, a symbol blazing through the night, a legacy of truth and light. Through woman, man, and child restored, we glorify the living Lord. Engrafted to the living vine, in joy and holiness we shine. Assembly of the way proclaim, all glory to the sacred name, till earth and heaven join as one, and all behold the Holy Son YaHuSHa HaMaSHiYach's reigns, and everlasting peace remains.